this is just a sample we made today. It's just a sample. The main point I'm going to show you is the lace, very transparent. This one. You see, you cannot see the knot. It's very high technique unit, very high technique unit. You see, it can match your scalp perfectly. This, this, this is the one. Let me put it on the model head, and you see the finish. You see the result. A lot of people are buying this type. Normally they place orders, then we produce, but currently we are making more stocks. We have stocks, so when you purchase the unit, you don't need to waste. We can ship them out fast. This is the one. And this unit is totally different from the traditional one, like the Swiss lace, the French lace, because it's without any knot on the lace. It can match your scalp very well. This one. So this we will be selling this very soon. This one. Okay, more and more videos are coming.